start your career as a SEO expert in freelancing sites. So you can start your SEO career on freelancing site. So we're gonna talk about this now. You can start your SEO career, search engine optimization, on freelancing side. A freelance SEO career can be fulfilling experience in terms of the kind of work, contribution, and finance as well. Hence, it's a great way to take a charge of your career in your hands and be a professional success working with your own terms. So, how you exactly start freelancing career as a SEO expert? Let's talk about this in detail now. Okay, the understanding of your SEO expertise. If you choose to impart your services in SEO as a freelancer, you will have to be equipped with all that is about SEO. Once you have get that understanding of your skill level, you must then ensure that you are in a possession of proper resources, tools, and software that would be needed to meet the SEO needs of your clients. So you must be fully skilled to handle SEO all kind of website, regardless of website builders that are built on. This understanding will help you to reach out for the right projects that fall under your skill set and perform better. Get a website and list your services. List yourself on a freelancing portals and start bidding. Find the right. So there are many e-commerce platform freelancing sites available. These are the sites: Upwork, Freelancer, Guru, Toptal, People per Hour, Simply Hired, and Fiverr. So these are the leading SEO freelancing sites to start your career and make a embark on your career. In order to perform too well as a freelancer SEO profession, you are obligated to work like one. Studying the professional work ethics of successful in-demand freelancer will help you to create a better job for yourself. Commit to work a schedule and stick to it. Begin with a small budget and garner reviews. Sell your freelance service with a complete dedication. Keep adding a new set of skills. Know your worth.